Hi. Hey you guys, it's your girl Mila Chinky. How are y'all doing today? I'm feeling good. So today your girl is making chicken tacos. Yes, I'm a flexitarian, those who want to know. Yes, I don't eat chicken that much, but today I was like, let me have a little. Let me just tell y'all before, these are so bomb. Let me just say this is a healthy snack. It's the honey mustard and onion. These joints are bomb. Get you some, okay? It's only 110 calories. All right. Yeah, so our ingredients, we have some lime, we have some tomatoes, and you know, we got some avocados. I love avocados. I eat avocados basically every day. That's my shit. Of course, we have some tortillas. A little light sour cream ain't gonna hurt nobody, baby. Got a little bit of taco mix, okay? And last but not least, I swear y'all, I be pronouncing words so weird. We got our ground chicken. I'm not really a ground turkey kind of person. It's just really not my thing, which is okay, because it's just not my thing. But I'm about to get into this video, okay? The jacket's off. So let's get into it, baby. Baby, this is between us. We need to get into this. We need to eat. We want to feel good. So we're about to start. First thing first, what we need is some oil. I love my grapeseed oil. It's very lightweight. It's delicious. I use either avocado, olive oil, or grapeseed oil. But if you want to know my favorite, it's this, okay? So this is what we're using. Get into it, get into it. So the key is to get it nice and brown. I season the way, like, you know, I don't be seasoning as in like measuring. You just season. You just do it with love, okay? Flavor. So we don't really think about the seasoning. We just do it, okay? And I put different type of seasoning in mine. I don't know how you guys do it, or you guys can definitely try the way I'm doing it. I do a little garlic salt, parsley, onion powder, wiggle, onion chops, you know, a little dash. And I just keep playing with it, okay? A little lemon pepper.
Ooh, is it you sausage? Ooh, is it you saucing?
So easy and simple. That's just the right amount of love that we need, baby. Do y'all watch Miss Tabitha Brown's Instagram? Let me just say that I love that woman. She be like, "Cause that's my business." Babe, go ahead and sprinkle a little cheese on there. Babe, go ahead and do this. Cause that's my business. Then she always says that one thing. If you're having a bad day, don't go around.
Ooh, is it you saucing?
It's something in it. How to say it. I just love that one. I said she has such a good spirit. I'm gonna do a cooking video with her one day. Or something. Cause she is just so now we got us some black beans. I know they look red, but they're definitely black. I love black beans with my tacos, or small red beans, whatever you like, do you. Right here, just add a little extra seasoning, not too much. The black beans I got were low sodium black beans, so you can pretty much manipulate whatever you want to put in it. Add a little garlic salt, or just some onion powder, or just a little grapeseed oil, whatever you want, so you can get that nice texture, and so it can be flavorful, if you know what I mean. It's like a girl
Ooh, is it you saucing? Ooh, is it you
Yeah, so that already avocado that's already open. I eat avocado faithfully. Like, I love avocado. It's so good. I don't know how some people don't like avocado. It's like, it's so delicious. It's so amazing. So tasty. Okay, so it's nice and smushed, you guys.
Ooh, is it you saucing?
still trying to get used to this. So we have these. This is how we do. Okay. We don't need no microwave. We flip this. And then it's done. Let me go to I swear. This one is one. We don't want it too like burnt. There we go. Stop now. Woo! Y'all, this, you know what, y'all? This new grill that I've been, you know what? Let me stop. So far, we got the ground breast chicken, grilled corn, and black beans. And now we gotta keep it going. We gotta keep on pairing it. Okay? So, y'all, I can make it a mess. Alright, so let's get into it. Let me see y'all. Cause baby, I'm hungry.
Ooh, is it you saucing?
Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. I did that. I definitely did that. And it was so quick and easy, y'all. It's so simple. It's not hard. And it's delicious. Oh, yeah. I'm over here making a mess. But that was it, you guys, for today. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. My Instagram will be down below, but I'll say it right now. It is Mila_Chinky. Follow your girl.
Is it you saucing?
I have more videos coming. Just more of everything. Vlogs, cooking, vlogs, dancing. I am a dancer, just so y'all know. But yeah, so just, you know, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'm about to crash because I'm so hungry. I ate all day. So, see you guys.